Welcome home to 617 Bassett Lane. This brand new home sits in a quiet cul-de-sac in the heart of SANGO. It is the Cannondale with an open floor plan and plenty of upgrades. The large great room has hardwood flooring and plenty of natural light. It also has a gas fireplace. Here is one more view from dining area. Take a look at this beautiful kitchen. It has a breakfast bar and all stainless steel appliances. There is also a tile backsplash and hardwood floors. The hardwood flooring extends into the dining area. It also has a door leading to the back patio. This powder room is conveniently located on the main level. The utility room is also on the main level of the home. The covered patio offers year-round outdoor entertaining. The split staircase separates the bonus room and bedrooms. The large master suite has a double tray ceiling and plenty of natural light. There is a double vanity and jetted tub in the master bath, as well as a tile shower with built-in shelving. This is only half of the walk-in master closet. There are 2 additional bedrooms on the second level. Each bedroom has a ceiling fan. This full hall bath is shared by the secondary bedrooms. The spacious bonus room above the garage offers a great additional living area. This brand new home is ready for brand new owners. Call or email me today for your private tour.